we are farming to about the earthquake updates. Today earthquake is occurred in Iran. According to the German research geological sense, a strong magnitude 3.4 earthquake 77 km southeast of Bushehr, Iran on Sunday 20 February 2022 occurred at 10:20 am local time, and its depth was recorded at 25 km. For more new information, visit my YouTube channel, like, comment, share, subscribe and press bell icon on the all for notification. Thank you.